Raise your hand if you know that you need a champion, that people need to be championed. Success is never an accident. It's always intentional. It's always designed.
Proximity is power. We know that, right? Say proximity is power.
Proximity is power.
If you add some lies to the word word, you get the word world. You get a pick. Is the word going to tell you who you are, or the world?
Who here is an entrepreneur? Say me.
Me.
Who here wants to build empire? Say me.
Me.
Talks about connection is currency. Hey guys, who are the 3 groups of people that we want to be connected with?
God, self, others.
All right. Where does success